Welcome to another edition of Tech Tips in 1 minute or less. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 more proven ways to extend the life of your battery. First, you'll want to configure location services. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Toggle everything to While Using. Next, you'll want to turn off Always On Display. While in Settings, go to Display and Brightness, Always On Display. Last, you'll want to make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest OS version. While in Settings, go to General, Software Update, Automatic Updates. New updates often address bug fixes that could be draining your battery. Please subscribe to get more tech tips in 1 minute or less.